Okay.
White
All right,
corn.
P, step one, put on a happy face. We're cooking with love.
This is 1 onion. I always.
Are we cooking in this?
Yes, you're gonna
Orange
use
Is it
my
Avocado oil.
That's good.
We're getting this party started and we're really cooking.
Hey, Chef P. Hey.
Ready.
Hi, baby.
Delish.
Corn. You guys, what step it is?
White corn.
Is Kourtney actually cooking?
Yes.
Wow.
This is all your salad ingredients, okay? We toss everything in there. Got it. You're good.
Oh, that
And
looks
then
so
we
pretty.
Cut in half, and then you're gonna mix it.
This year for my birthday, I made a list of things that I just wanted to do. So I decided to take piano lessons and I decided to take cooking. Also, you know, like built-in time to hang out with my friends.
Everything looks so nice, Court.
This is really a bread plate, but
We're gonna use it as a salad tonight.
there is an extra plate. I guess this could be dessert plate. Well, we're having salad. Do you want to come eat some?
Here, Mace. I will scoot and you can sit next to Coco. Here. You want to? Okay. Or you sit there. Be nice.
Nice. You're wearing a robe. You look like Hugh Hefner. It is wild. You're your dad's child.
Yes.